What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will tell you the complete review about the Bread Cashback Express card, and I will tell you the best points and the benefits about it, things you need to know before buying it. So the high reward rate for this card is a limited 2% cashback on all purchases, no tier structure or activation deadline. Flexible but limited redemptions options include direct deposit, wire customer service, or statement credits. So, no minimum redemption amount is there or for the fees, $0 annual fee or no foreign transaction fees. No welcome offer, obviously, lag sign-up bonuses, which is an important point you might need to consider because this is a very common practice amongst the competitors. And then at the end, AMEX perks, access to EMEX perks, dining discounts, early event tickets, and car rental insurance up to $50,000. So these are some of the points that you need to keep in your mind before getting this card. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.